All right, everybody. So I'm here at the resort and I just wanted to let you know what's happening. So my idea was to go to check out the elephants and spend the day out checking the elephants out. And it was a bit of a disaster because I spent all day in the national park and didn't see any elephant until 4 o'clock. And then everybody just went mad for these elephants, and I was taking videos left, right and centre. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to do this next vlog that's coming up now is going to be the actual trip round Khao National Park. It's actually before I saw the elephants. So it's going to be a trip round Khao National Park, and we're going to go around the viewing points. And it's basically me waiting to see the elephants. And then the next vlog will be completely about the elephant footage. That is what I've come down here for. That's going to be it. Like I said, it was a complete disaster. I was just waiting for the elephants for hours upon hours, and then going to different areas. It's like looking for a needle in an haystack, trying to find an elephant in that national park. It's absolutely ginormous, that place. And well, it's same as you go in, if you go to a place like, if you go like whale watching or dolphin watching or something like that, you're not forced to see them. You can actually go out, but you're not forced to see them even when you go out to sea. And that's like it when you're looking for an elephant in a forest this size and around here. I mean, I was travelling for 17 kilometres in this national park. And I only went about a quarter of the way around it. Well, and that's all in one direction. So that's what I was going around all over the place, looking for elephants, searching for elephants. And like I said, I found them on my last. So my last vlog will be completely the elephant vlog, and this vlog that's coming out now, it'll be just on Khao National Park with a viewing point, and it's lovely, really nice. Some lovely places in there, but it was just, I was waiting to see the elephants. Right, so I'm in a quite interesting area. I'm just ready to go in towards Khao National Park, and a lot of military bases around here, as you can see behind me. A lot of military bases, and it's quite a nice area. It's brilliant actually. Yeah, this must be some sort of a temple. That's a shrine up top there. I'd call that their chicken temple. Don't know what it is, but it looks very nice. Yeah, so you see this is a military camp. Very nice. So this is it, people. We've arrived at Khao National Park. Really looking forward to this. So we're going to go into it, and we're going to see if we can see some elephants. But how lovely is this area? Absolutely fantastic area. Really excited to get inside there. Well, I must admit this national park is stunning area. I'm just sort of cruising round here because apparently elephants are all in, but you never know where elephants are like. So right, so this is my first stop in the national park, which is Khao Waterfall. I'm going to go here. Apparently it's quite an impressive waterfall. So right, so we're at an area and I've parked up and I'm hopefully going to see some elephants because there's a few other people here, as you can see. Everybody's sort of parked up around this area, so I'm going to check it out, and everybody's waiting for elephants, so I'm just parking up and waiting. Right, so they're all waiting here. They've got all cameras at the ready, and yeah, so there has been some elephants that's come down here this morning, and one of the women has just showed me a photograph of one of them come down. It was a very, very big elephant, so it's just check it. Tell you a little story now. It's what my the bloke who owns the resort, he told me 11 elephants was killed at the waterfall. The first one, I haven't been to Waterfall yet, like, but I'll probably have a look later on. But apparently 11 elephants were killed on that waterfall, were swept over the waterfall by the river at the top. And apparently if one goes into the water and it calls for others to come across, they will follow it. And 11 elephants died. They got swept over the top of the waterfall. Bit tragic that. 11 elephants died at one point, at one place. But yeah, I can't wait to see these elephants. I'm going to sit here all day until I actually see something. They must be coming, because people are hanging about here, and these people are serious elephant watchers. They really know when elephants are going to come or not, so I'm going to hang about, wait here for them. Right, I'm parked here and I think I could be here for some time. It's I think we're still waiting, and we've been here about an hour now. Right, so I've been in the national park now for about 2.5 hours, 3 hours. We're in one spot and I've decided to go off to a big viewpoint. But this is, how nice is this national park though? Look at it, look at all these little places behind me. Beautiful little places, all little shrines. And now I'm going up to this viewpoint and I'm going to see if I can see any elephants up there. But I think it might be a wasted day today, but I've seen some monkeys anyway. At least I've seen some wildlife. But this place is vast. I mean, I've just been travelling 17 kilometres in this place, and I'm still nowhere near. I'm still nowhere near. Well, quarter of the way round. It's absolutely massive. I mean, trying to find an elephant in this place must be like trying to find a needle in a haystack. I mean, it's just massive. It's just completely all jungle. A little bit of open areas, but most of it is jungle, and the elephants will be eating away in the jungle. So anyway, we'll get on towards this radar station now, which is a viewpoint, and we'll check this out. Right, so apparently we're up in there's a Thai radar station here, and this is a viewpoint as well. Let's have a look at it. There's some view from up here as well. Look at this for a view. Shows how high we are here. Very, very high. Little coffee shop here. I think I might get a coffee actually. Right, so this is the viewpoint up at the radar station at Khao, and stunning view. Little coffee shop. Look at that for a view. Amazing. And that's how high we are. 4,240 feet. I've just seen some, what's that? A fox? Can you see that? I don't know what that is. Oh, there's two of them. Yeah. Can you see it? I don't know what that is at all. But as normal, everything is kept spotless in this place. All national parks are. They're very well kept. So now I'm going to show you some of the road going down here from the viewpoint at the top, and it's amazing. But what a road this is. Very nice. I'm gonna say, what a nice stretch of road though. It's absolutely stunning. Be great up here on the motorbike. Look at the views we get from here though. That's the view. That's how I hope you are. Very high. Anyway, let's concentrate on this road a little bit, but I'm only showing a little section of this road. It's because it's unbelievable. I think this bloke's looking for elephants as well. Is he looking for elephant? Have you found any? Right. Bit disappointed today. I haven't seen no elephants. But I think I'm going to end up here. I'm going to go to that waterfall before it closes and have a look at that place. I don't think we're going to see any elephants, although met with these lasses again, and these have they've all been looking for elephants all this morning as well as me, but they keep going to different places. and still not seen any. But you can see elephant dung on the road where they've actually come across the road. So, but we've not seen any. But it's like they're keeping themselves to themselves today. So I might end up just going to that waterfall and just checking that out before it closes. Yes, I might get to see the elephants. People are hanging about round here. And it looks as though we might get to see something. Right, looks as though we've actually got one. There's one here right in front of me on the road. Yes, I've actually seen one, a wild elephant. It's just walking up the road now.